Alright, I'm Jared Simonelli, and this is my Skyrim dungeon. So let me pull it up. Alright, um, for this I made a dungeon in Skyrim using the creation kit they provide. Let's just go in. So, COC just means teleport, and my dungeon's name is Jared's Dungeon. Alright, here we go. Here's the first room we're going to start off in. What I did was put in some candles and the statue to kind of get the player, give a feel and also, draw them towards this door. I made a hallway, and then you're going to go down, and I'm going to kill this enemy right here first, and I'll tell you what I do. Alright, so what I did was I put some rubble here. I added a lot of rubble around, and the idea was to push the player towards certain areas. So I wanted the player to turn right. So if I put the rubble here to block this off. You can go there, but I wanted the player to go this way because that's the main path they would be taking. But if you come this way, which people that want to explore will come, there's multiple layers. There's stairs. There's a bear in a cave, which is really weird. But I designed this cave, to have a boss to be the final secret boss to be a bear. So I made this room, and I actually found a mural in the creation kit that said "Beat Bear Mural," so I put that up here. And I was just trying to give some story behind the dungeon. A lot of dungeons do have stories. So I put a mural. So I take all this stuff. There's just a bunch of stuff I put in. Armor, swords, and gold. But this room was supposed to represent, it'd be a foreshadow of the big bear boss I put at the end. It's just something small I try to do to give this dungeon some lore. So if we continue on to the right path, the correct path, you're gonna walk through here. You're gonna come up to some more bandits, just living out in the cave. Let me kill them. Oh, this is hard. Die. One's dead. And there you go, he's dead. Okay, so this is another room. Again, I used rubble to kind of push the player. Put some rubble on the sides, push the player towards this area. They find some potions. Another thing I did was put in potions near the end of the battle. Gear and potions. That's what dungeons do. Let me take all this. They allow you. They try to push you towards certain areas, and when you get near the end, they start supplying you more better weapons along with potions and stuff, because you have to be ready. So that's what I did there. So I put some potions in. I gave the player a weapon. So another thing I did is there's another area down to the right, but again, like I said, I've been using rubble to block the areas off. So the player will feel pushed towards this way. So like I said, there's multiple levels. There's dungeon, up and down. So you come here, you have to fight the bandit boss. The bosses. Let me take them out quickly. but yeah, so I just made hallways connecting a bunch of sections. Try to put in a short story with the time I had, because most dungeons do have some sort of story or lore to it. So this one was just a bear. I had some features. Let's see. So now let's go fight the mini boss. Give me a sec. Alright. Now for the final area, like I said, I blocked it off, but this is for the people that like to explore. There's a huge bear called Chuck Norris in bear form. Made this huge room. Oh god. And just a funny thing I tried to put in, but so honestly that's basically it. Put some loot in each room. Try to supply the player. That's the best part of going. That's like the reason people go to dungeons. Get some loot. I used rubble to push people towards certain areas, and yeah, that is my dungeon. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Jared Simonelli, and thank you.